Hello, and welcome to our YouTube video on if statements in JavaScript. Today, we'll explore the power of if statements and how they help make decisions in your code. Let's dive in. Imagine you have some money and you're wondering if you can buy an ice cream. Let's take a look at the code. We start by defining a variable called money and set it to 5. This represents the amount of money you have. Now, we use an if statement to check if money is greater than or equal to 3. If it is, the condition evaluates to true, and we print EA. You can buy an ice cream, to the console. However, if the condition is false, meaning you have less than $3, we print oops. Not enough money for an ice cream. In either case, we always display the message "Enjoy your day" to wrap things up. This message will be shown regardless of whether you can buy an ice cream or not. Next, let's create a program that helps us decide what to wear based on the weather. We define a variable called isSunny and set it to true, indicating that it's sunny outside. Using an if statement, we check if isSunny is true. If it is, we print it's sunny outside. Wear your sunglasses and a hat to suggest wearing appropriate gear for the sunny weather. On the other hand, if isSunny is false, we print it's not sunny today. You can wear something else to suggest different clothing options. As before, we conclude with the message "Have a great day" to provide a final greeting. Lastly, let's create a program that greets you based on the time of day. Here's the code. We use the new_date.getHours function to retrieve the current hour of the day. With an if statement, we check various conditions. If the hour is less than 12, we print "Good morning" to greet you for the morning. If the hour is between 12 and 18, we print "Good afternoon" for a midday greeting. Finally, if none of the previous conditions are met, indicating that it's evening, we print "Good evening" to offer an appropriate greeting. To wrap up, we display the message "Have a wonderful day" as a parting wish. If statements are incredibly useful for making decisions in your JavaScript programs. They allow you to control the flow of your code based on specific conditions. Experiment with different conditions and explore the possibilities. Do you think you can get all the quiz questions right? Here goes. Which keyword is used to define an alternative condition in an if statement? Right answer, A. Which logical operator is used to perform a logical an operation in JavaScript? Right answer, B. I hope you now have a better understanding of if statements in JavaScript. Feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. Happy coding, and see you next time.